In order to work a standing double crochet, you want to work a single crochet in the first stitch. Then you want to find the second bar in your single crochet, not the first one, the second one. Put your hook under the second bar, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and complete your second single crochet. Complete the row as usual. When you come to the end of the row, complete your last stitch, and turn your work. Immediately work a single crochet in the first stitch. Now find that second bar right there. Slide your hook under the second bar. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. And you've completed a standing double crochet.